So this is the app that we're gonna have to use to make our GFX. So you go on the app and this is what you'll find. You could see the app. It's very big. So what you have to do is just turn right or left if you like. See this left, but I like to use this one more because it's just better that way. And so there's 4 different green screens. Well, they're not green screens, but you can see there's screens for your background. Now, you gotta use the colors that you don't have on your avatar because otherwise it just literally takes it away. The thing that we're gonna do later on. So that's important that you don't have the colors. So definitely you can use the other side if you got all those colors on, but not really need to do that. So once you have taken your picture screenshot, you go on Ibis Paint. So this is a picture that we will be creating, but a bit different. So yeah, you have to go on Ibis Paint. You can't do it anywhere else. So yeah. So you want to create a new picture and then you click on the image at the top. You can select a background, but you don't have to do that. If you already have a background selected, then yeah, then you don't need to do this. But I'm just adding a background because I don't have one. Then you want to click on those 2 papers and then click on the plus button and then import picture. Then you want to import the picture, the one that you taken with, and then you want to basically adjust it in the screen. And once you're happy with, you press cancel on this one. You want to go in the pink selection layer and then you want to click on bucket and then you want to select the parts that you don't need. So I'm just selecting all the yellow parts so you can see. You can zoom in as well, so that's useful. I can take away coffee, but I just don't want to do that because coffee's great. So keep on taking away the yellow parts. Okay, so once you're done and once you're happy, you want to then click on the pages button again and then go to the normal one. Click on the square at the top and click on clear layout and then click on remove selection area. And then bravo! Then you want to click on lasso and then click the part that you want to move your joints, because this is where you move your joints part. Once you selected it, you click on the moving thing and then you click on perspective form and then move it however the way you want it to be. Okay, so put it any position you like. I'm just doing this position in particular. Once you're happy, you can then click on tick and then you can remove selection layer and then you want to click on eraser and erase the parts that are left out and also the pointy bit on your elbow, like so. Okay, so now this is not necessary, but you can add text and frames and other stuff, but I'm just going to show you how to do it because I just want to show you how to do it. So you want to go on text. If you want to like create a thumbnail or anything, this is what you're gonna have to do. So you click on oh wait, what am I doing? So you want to click on text and then write down whatever you want to write down, if that makes sense. That probably does make sense. Okay, so I'm just writing this down. You can pick the size and the fonts and everything. Grammar. Then you can move your text anywhere you like on your screen. And then you can change the size like I told you. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger It looks kind of the same. Okay, so once you've done that, you can add a frame. You click on frame divider, and you can click on any color you like and adjust the frame. If you click on the image button again, you can pick any of the PNGs. So basically, if you want to only add one sticker, so it's basically like a sticker. And for example, I want this ice cream cone over there. You download it, and then you basically get this sticker. And if you put it in perspective mode next to the move button, then you can basically even like change the shape, and like you can make it a bit wonky, like so, like that. And you can put it whatever position you want it to be in. I'm kind of proud, but it's not exactly like the number 2 one that I made. So yeah, but this is actually pretty good. Very good. I really like it.